Once we got back after that break, we established that our goal is to win an ACC championship, be the best team that we could possibly be. So we kind of carried that mindset from those winter workouts into spring football, and then that kind of propelled us into this fall camp. And now coming out of fall camp, game day in a few days from now, we're all just excited. We're ready to rock and roll.
Preseason ACC Player of the Year. Mm-hmm. You're on a ton of All-American watch lists. How old are you?
20.
All right. How are you handling all this?
I mean, it's definitely a lot to take in, but luckily enough, I've been blessed to have a lot of great role models who've always kind of taught me how to deal with just good and bad and try to stay level-headed. So obviously I'm honored to have all these accolades. It's definitely nothing that's getting to my head per se. I'm just trying to take it day by day and get better.
One of the other things that's discussed is that, AJ Dillon could be a Heisman candidate, which I'm sure you hear too. I had a chance to talk to the only other guy who went to BC and won the Heisman specifically about you. I want to show you what Doug Flutie had to say, all right? So here's what Doug had to say when I asked him about your chances of being a Heisman Trophy candidate and possible winner.
Oh my goodness, he just changed the fortune of that team last year when he became the full-time guy. He has all the tools in the world. So much of something like a Heisman, so much of that is a little bit of luck and having the team around you and you being the focal point, which he could be. I mean, they're a physical football team. There was no one that they went up against last year that was more physical than BC. So you never know. There's the possibility. He is definitely going to be the focal point of that team. A lot of things have to fall in place. It's not just a pure talent.
So you hear that,
yeah,
and you know about Doug, and you see the statue.
Yeah.
I mean, what goes through your head when you hear those words?
I mean, hearing it from anybody is obviously a great honor, but hearing it from that guy, statues out front, you see it every day. A guy that's been here, played at the highest level, and was just truly successful. I mean, it's unbelievable to kind of hear those words. It carries a lot of weight. To have that optimism, I guess, from a guy like Doug Flutie is amazing. But like he said, it's going to take more than talent. It's going to take things falling into place and the team, and that's really where my focus is, just propelling the entire team.
Nobody has individual success, nobody has team success without everybody working together.
Yeah.
You got AB back.
Yeah.
Got to feel good about that. Let's get an update on the quarterback first, and we'll go from there.
Anthony is one of my best friends. He's great, he's back, he's healthy, he's moving quick. I don't really think he's missed a step. I'm excited. I know the entire team is ready to get him back on the field. I'm smiling just talking about it. I'm excited.
I also got a kick out of learning more about the relationship between you and the offensive linemen. I look across the board, and I see 6'7", 6'8", 6'5", 6'5". I mean, these are monsters of men, which it has taken time to get them to that point. When you're standing behind them, what's going through your mind?
I mean, I trust those guys, and they trust me, and so we kind of have a really great relationship where I trust them to do their job, and I feel safe back there. It's a great feeling to know that those guys up there are going to try and do their best to make sure that I can at least get past the next level and do my thing.
When I was here for Media Day, I talked with Lucas Dennis, and he said something which I really liked as a fan, as a person who's watched this program for a number of years. He said, we're past that stage of 7-6.
Yeah.
We need to take it to that next level of 10-2, which I like to hear. Coaches don't necessarily like to hear that because you want to go that game by game.
Yeah.
But I do like the mindset. So I think the team probably has that mindset. That this is a team that can contend. You talked about ACC championship. In your mind, what does it take to take it to that next level?
Yeah, I mean, in my mind, obviously we got to come out each Saturday, Friday, Thursday, whatever day we're playing, and go out there and play our game plan and do our best. But really, it's all about just kind of being prepared. We have the talent now, and the coaches are great. It's just all about being prepared, and when you go out there, just kind of doing your job. I mean, I hate to take the slogan away from the Patriots, but that's really what it is.
What will people be saying about BC at the end of September?
I feel like a lot of people will just say, wow. One simple word, wow. I feel like a lot of people are going to be shocked. I feel like every team kind of says this is going to be the year, or we're going to take the next step. And just on any level, that's always your goal, be better than last year. But I feel like this year we're really going to catch a lot of people off guard. We've pushed that rock over the edge, if you will,